Hi everyone, Dr. Matthew Stay here from National Pike Chiropractic, and this month we're going to discuss how to thrive during the winter season. Now, whether that means staying safe while shoveling snow or just trying to stay active while the rest of the world is hibernating, we have you covered this month. Now, the winter season is officially here, and that means many of us will be out shoveling snow. And I don't think it comes as any surprise, but snow shoveling sends thousands of people to the ER every year due to lower back injuries. So this month we're going to share some simple chiropractic approved tips to keep your back safe while you're shoveling your sidewalks and driveways this year. All right, now before you pick up that shovel and head outside, it's important that you warm up for a few minutes and get the body loose and limber. Think of snow shoveling as an athletic event. You wouldn't go into the court or the field cold, and you shouldn't approach snow removal that way either. So a couple of light movements we like to do that's appropriate for shoveling snow. There's some arm circles. You can go forward and backwards. All right. We can do some hip hinging, and we can use a stick like this to assure that our spine's staying nice and straight and just kind of get the hips moving and keeping the spine nice and safe like that. Okay. A couple other things we can do, just simply marching in place. All right. We can do things like this, again, getting the body warmed up, particularly our lower extremities. And then one last one, we call these press ups. And this is a very good one for your lower back in preparation and even when, to calm things down if you get a little irritated. And all you're simply going to do is just press all the way up, let your hips stay relaxed on the tables, elbows stay locked, breathe out, let the hips relax into the table, and then back down. And typically, sets of 10 are appropriate, just like that. Good. Give it a try. You'll be surprised how effective that can be. All right, we're ready to head outside. First things first, dress appropriately. Warm jackets, toboggans, boots. These boots have anti-slip traction, which adds an extra layer of safety. And then when choosing your shovel, you want to make sure that you're choosing a lightweight ergonomic shovel. The ergonomic handles have different angles to suit different people's needs, and these handles provide you with mechanical leverage that allows you to push the snow a little bit easier, and obviously the less that you have to lift, the better off. The lightweight shovels also give you that extra layer of protection, less strain on the lower back. Straight handles like this tend to increase the strain on the lower back, which will increase your chance of injury. All right, let's talk form, and this is where most injuries tend to happen. So first things first, you want to have your feet about hip width apart for better balance. When you start to bend to push the snow, make sure that you're hinging from your hips like this and not rounding the spine like that. The rounded spine will increase your risk for injury. Make sure you're keeping the shovel close to your body and near your center of gravity here by your hips. And when you go to push, bend your knees and drive through your legs for power. This will protect your lower back. And here's a big one. Avoid twisting. All right. When you go to, if you have to toss the snow to lift and toss, you don't want to pick up the snow and lift and twist like that over the shoulder like you see most people do. Lifting and twisting with an excessive load like a shovel full of snow can cause some serious damage to your lower spine. So if you need to twist, make sure you grab the snow and you turn your body and throw it that way. All right. That will protect your spine when you're out shoveling the snow this winter. Now, shoveling snow can turn into a marathon, so make sure that you're pacing yourself. Take breaks every 10 to 15 minutes, and especially if the snow is really wet and heavy. And make sure you drink plenty of water, because even in the cold, you can become dehydrated. Now, if you feel any sharp or stabbing pains, any tingling, any numbness, or anything that takes your breath away, stop immediately, give yourself a break. Those are signs that your body, needs a little bit of a rest. Okay, and you can try some of those stretches maybe that we had previously shown. Now, if you do injure yourself while shoveling snow, or you just simply want to make sure you're staying healthy through the winter, we're here to help. So call National Pike Chiropractic today and make sure you're staying safe out there. I'm Dr. Matthew Stay, and thank you for tuning in.